She killed him. She actually killed Theo. By this point, I knew that if I kept going, I was going to die. But then again, if I turned back now, I would be leaving empty-handed in every single way. I had to keep moving. What even is this?
Today I joined the invisible mafia. My best friend was forced to join the mafia and I haven't seen her since. So if I join myself and protect as many members as possible, I might be protecting her too. She always protected me when I joined the server, so it's the least I can do. I just hope I won't have to kill any players. I hate the mafia so much. I wish we could all stop being invisible around each other. Maybe then I'd be able to see her again. The mafia was defeated today, but I'm still invisible. Every mafia member knows that when you become a member, you have to throw an ender pearl that might one day kill you if you're ever not invisible. I recently discovered that this is only half of the truth. The mafia has hidden away all its treasures inside this secret tomb, and if any item leaves this place, all members will be killed by the void at once. I'm not sure how many pearls are left, but it has to be hundreds if not thousands. I'm too afraid to count all of them. I'll spend the rest of my time on this server protecting the treasure at all costs. I'll pretend to be a monster so that all players will run far away from this place. I hope the former mafia members can live peacefully. They'll never know what I'm doing for them, but that doesn't matter. I just hope my friend is still playing on the server. I wish I could leave this place and go look for her.
What?
Today, another group of treasure hunters showed up at the entrance again. They didn't run from the alarm as I had hoped. Even when I revealed my identity, they weren't scared. Luckily, another group showed up and gave me an excuse to stop killing them. I hoped they wouldn't come back, but they entered the catacombs after stealing my key. I fought one of them named Theobald, but I just couldn't get myself to kill him. He reminded me too much of my old friend. He protected his friend with his life just like my friend would protect me when I joined the server. I made Theobald put all of his items in a chest and brought him up. I'm still not sure if it was the right thing to do. I used to tell myself that I'm only pretending to be a monster to scare people away, but recently I've started to believe that maybe I really am a monster. I wish that one day someone might read this book and realize that I don't want to be one.